Today's video is sponsored by Go Markets. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning broker who is regulated by the Cyprus Security and Exchange Commission. I have personally been using Go Markets for over 5 years now, and one of the reasons I chose them was because their customer service is second to none. Low spreads, fast withdrawals and thousands of tradable products makes Go Markets the favourable choice for the BD members. Go Markets is the official online trading sponsor of Chelsea Football Club. If you are looking to trade with a worldwide trusted and regulated broker, then sign up using our link below and start trading today with low spreads. Thank you and enjoy today's video.
Hi everyone, this is going to be a very quick video, but basically I'm going to film the 8 AM trade and hopefully today I can actually capture it because today's Wednesday and we had the setup Monday and Tuesday. Both of them were winners, but unfortunately I missed them. Today's day, or today's time shall I say, is 7:54, so 6 minutes before the 8 AM London Open. We've already done some trades in the BD group. I've been basically trading in my bed. Literally, I started trading from like 7:30 and I was like, yep, I'm not getting out of my bed today. But I had to do this video. But basically, I took this Mogwai signal on gold, binary destroyer on the TradingView mobile app, and yeah, that's the result later. As you see here, gold looks good. Hi Jamie, do you have the BD on your Mogwai? Blah blah blah. You see here, yeah, TP got hit. And that's pretty much it. Some of the it's been quite quiet. You see here, US 30 5-minute time frame, Mogwai arrow about to go from a buy. So there you go there. This BD member's trading the binary destroyer with US 30. So that is an update. I'm just currently waiting for EURUSD to pop its first Mogwai signal after 8 AM. So hopefully this time we can capture it and yeah, I can film it for you. So I'll come straight back once we get our first Mogwai signal after 8 AM. Hi everyone, this is basically a pre-recorded sound, or I've overlapped the sound onto this video because as soon as I got the 8 AM trade, my cleaner came. And I don't particularly want to be making a YouTube video when my cleaner arrives because she thinks I must be weird talking to myself. But anyway, you will see here now, this is the 8 AM trade. So basically 8 AM when London opens, we take the first Mogwai arrow that appears for 5 pips. This is still testing. But we found in the testing period that it works perfectly for 5 pips. So you see me take the trade for 5 pips. Here, I'm just showing you some of the results for today. We took a nice buy on gold. One of the BD members called Jared called a buy on gold. And as you can see here, a lot of us saying gold won, gold won. Look, TP hit on gold. Thank you, Jared. Thank you, Jared. You're more than welcome, guys. 200 pips take profit got hit. I went for 150 pips take profit. This BD member saying my first trade. But yeah, awesome trading session with the BD members. Obviously, I've overlapped the sound because yeah, I didn't want my cleaner doing it. So you can see him here typing here. First Mogwai signal open on EU. Yes, I entered for 5 pips. So that's the trade there, as you can see. Like I said, in testing, it's worked perfect for a 5 pip take profit. A BD member's actually been doing a 7 pip stop loss, 7 pip take profit, and he's actually simulated it for the past, I think, 3 months, and it's worked very, very well with a 7 pip stop loss, 7 pip take profit. I am personally just going for 5 pips in and out. But yeah, it's worked really, really well. Monday and Tuesday, I've missed it, but kind of they won. So Monday and Tuesday both won, and I missed it. And you're just about to see the 5 pips get hit in a minute. So even 5 pips on the Wednesday one. So I think we're currently 7-1 so far with this. So yeah, the only loss we had was last Monday. So last Monday lost. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday all won. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of this week all won. So what I'll do is I'll actually speed up this video now. And you can actually see the trade go into take profit. So as you can see there, the London Open trade won again for 5 pips. So this is still the testing phase. But so far it's looking good for 5 pips. We'll just carry on testing it again, and obviously we'll be open with you, and I'll be continuing making these videos. You'll see me now just letting the BD members know that take profit got hit. A few other BD members took it as well. And as well, you're just about to see the end of this video, which is me actually giving you an update on the £10 challenge account. So yes, thank you for watching. Hi, before we end this video, I want to give you a quick update on that $10 trading account that I mentioned in my previous video on Tuesday. This is Thursday's video. That account is now sitting at almost $100. I can't remember what the challenge was. I think it was $10 to $1,000 or $10 to $100. I don't know, right? All I do know is the BD member that actually started this challenge failed it. I think he got to like $70 and then failed it. So I'm still going just because I've got the account here, so I'm just going to carry it on. But yeah, sitting at $95 now, or £95. Now the actual trade that did that was this beautiful sell on USD JPY. Look at that, beautiful. Now I want to show you the exact trade because I've mastered this perfectly. On the 14th of March, which was yesterday, I said USD JPY swing trade, target some good pips. Then I went, anybody jump on that. So this was this morning. Anybody jump on that trade above, just closed at 100 pips TP. So this was the actual trade, right? And I've mastered this perfectly. If you are a regular follow of my YouTube videos or regular follow of me, and you've watched all the training videos in the members area, you know I have been talking about this a lot recently, because a lot of traders get stuck. They get stopped out by this and they get stuck, and sometimes they think maybe this is the trend reverse or whatever. Let me show you something, right? So again, just want to show you how powerful identifying key levels and identifying break and retest on just how powerful they are. So look at this one, right? Price comes up, price comes down, price has created a low, creates a lower high, bang. So we now have a lower high and lower low created. We now have a new low being formed. We wait for a break and retouch of this level, and look at that, price just drops. I mean, what's that? Probably a 1 to 20 or 1 to 30 if you got that. Then price chops around for a bit. Price chops around like this here. Nothing really has happened. Then it comes down. Then it retouches. Boom. Break and retouch here. Right? Nice little trade with the trend just here. Now, I did take this trade. I think I got stopped out. I can't remember. And if you were scalping the market, so obviously difference now, scalping, swing trading. If you're scalping here, you would have won the trade easily, no problem. If you'd gone for like, I don't know, a 30 pip stop loss here, 30 or 40 pips, whatever, right? And the trade went to around 60 pips. So you either would have got a 1-to-1 here or 1-to-2, okay? However, let's say you got stopped out here because you targeted the bottom of the low, right? Which would, okay, if you want to do that, that's fine, there's no problem. And you got stopped out. This is still a downtrend, right? As long as we stay below the previous high, right? So if I mark up the low, which is here, right? Because obviously price comes down, pulls back. So there's the low, there's the high, right? What happened was, if you get stopped out here, there's nothing wrong with re-entering here. And again, if you got stopped out here, if you know, you would have got, let's say you didn't get stopped out and you got a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2, right? You could have re-entered here, 1-to-1, 1-to-2. Again, got 70 pips out the trade. I actually entered this trade somewhere around here. I can't remember. I entered it literally late last night or early this morning. Can't remember. Hold on. Yeah, it was early this morning actually. This trade here, look at it. Look at it now, right? This trade is still with the trend. Still with the trend. And if you're smart and if you follow my training, right? Look at this, right? And again, if you're smart, and I don't think a lot of people would be able to get this, or they'd be quick enough to read it. What you could have done, right? Break and retouch here, right? Obviously, there's the break and retouch here. So you could have sold this for 1-to-2 or 1-to-1, scalp the market. Then you could have bought it with the trend because it's gone uptrend, pull back. You could have bought it here, then it's come up again, then it's retouched. You could have bought it again here, bang. Then it came to here, long-term swing trade down. Look at that. I don't think a lot of BD members or a lot of traders will be able to do this kind of trading because this is very advanced. What you're basically doing is you've got a big downtrend like this here. And as basically, let me rephrase it. What's happened here is you've got a downtrend, pullback, downtrend. And what we're basically doing here, right, is you'd sell here with the trend, scalp the market. And then as price starts pulling back, you buy with the trend, and then you buy with the trend as well until it gets to the top zone here. And then you could sell it literally back down. So buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and then sell with the big trend down. Very, very advanced level of trading this. I wouldn't expect anybody to get this kind of trading, you know, do this perfectly. But again, many of opportunities in the market here. I initially sold here. Can't remember, got stopped out because I was targeted to the bottom of the zone, waited for the previous high, and then price dropped. This pattern happens all the time, literally all the time. Let me show you another one, right? Let me show you another one. Okay, here we go here, right? Here we go here, right? Just I'll give you an example here, right, of a trade, okay? Break and retouch. Okay, yeah, break and retouch. Look at this, right? This one's a bit messy. Break, retouch. Look at that previous resistance. Sell with the trend. Look at that. Beautiful. Break, retouch, sell with the trend. Not the perfect one, but it's still there. A lot of BD members are active this one. Hey, look, talking away. We've had a good trading session. And then, right, I'm going to mark up the previous one just there. Okay, so here and here as well, right? So what you got here now, right, what you got here, right, what you got here is you've got price then comes down, creates the new low. See that? There's the lower high. Price comes down, price retouches. Again, you can sell here. Again, if you go for 1-to-1, 1-to-2, you might win this because price went lower. However, if you didn't, mark up the previous high, which was there, wait for price to come to it, and look what happens now. You could re-enter here, and this is still with the downtrend. This is still a downtrend. And look what happens. You know, if you sold at this level, you're still going to get around 50 pips out of it, right? So you either go for a 1-to-1 here, win the trade, 1-to-1 here, win the trade, right? Whatever happens here, it works. Do you know what I mean? However, obviously we use the binary destroyer to set buy and sell at these levels. So rather than waiting for touches of the support and resistance levels, we use the Mogwai strategy at these levels. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. My name is Jamie Palmer, and yeah, as you can see here, very active. Another awesome trading session with the BD members. And thank you for watching.